helping with groceries.
Hi, Mark. Are you busy right now?
No, not at all. Why?
Can you help me for a minute?
Sure, what do you need?
I have too many grocery bags in my car.
Oh, of course. I can help you carry them.
Thank you. They are really heavy today.
No problem. Let's go to the car.
The blue car is mine, right over there.
Wow. You really bought a lot of food.
Yes, I'm cooking dinner for my family tonight.
Can I carry these 3 big bags?
Yes, please, that's perfect.
I can take one more if you want.
No, that's fine. I can get this small one.
Great. Let's head inside.
Could you hold the front door open for me?
Sure. I can get it with my elbow.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
Do you want me to put these on the kitchen table?
Yes, please. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Could you help me put the milk in the fridge?
Yes, I can do that right now.
You're a lifesaver, Mark.
Don't worry about it. Happy to help.
Would you like a glass of water?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Fixing the printer. Fixing the printer.
Excuse me, Amy. Are you using the printer?
No, I'm just waiting for my scans.
Oh, great. Can you help me with something?
Yes, sure. What's the problem?
The screen says there's a paper jam.
Let me see. Yes, the red light's flashing.
Do you know how to open this tray?
Yes, you just pull this black handle.
Could you show me, please?
Of course, look, it slides out like this.
Ah, I see. Thank you.
And here's the stuck paper inside.
Can you pull it out for me?
Let's do it together, gently.
Okay, I have it. It's out.
Perfect. Now we close the tray.
Great. The green light's on now.
Do you need to print a lot of pages?
Just 5 copies of this report.
I can help you make the copies, if you want.
Really? That's very kind of you.
Yes, I have some free time right now.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Do you want them in color or black and white?
Black and white is fine. Thank you.
No problem. I can do that for you.
Let me buy you a coffee later to say thanks.
That sounds wonderful. Thanks.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
Hello? No problem. How can I help you?
Can you tell me where the train station is?
Yes, of course. It's not very far.
Oh, good. Because I'm very late.
Do you have a map on your phone?
No, my phone battery's completely dead.
I see. Well, we can look at my map.
That's very nice of you. Thanks.
See, we're here. And the station's there.
Is it a straight walk down this street?
No, you need to turn left at the next corner.
Left at the corner. Okay.
Then go past the supermarket and turn right.
Turn right after the supermarket. Got it.
It's right next to the big park.
Could you write that down for me, please?
Yes, I can write it on this piece of paper.
Thank you. My memory is terrible today.
Actually, I'm walking that way now.
Really? Are you going to the station too?
Yes, I need to buy a train ticket.
Can I walk with you then?
Sure, let's walk together.
Thank you so much for your help.
It's my pleasure, don't worry.
I'm really lucky I met you.
I'm happy to help a visitor.
Borrowing chairs.
Hey, Chloe. Do you have a minute?
Yes, James, what's up?
I'm planning a birthday party for my brother.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Yes, but I need some extra chairs.
How many chairs do you need?
Can I borrow 4 chairs from you?
Yes, sure, I have some in my kitchen.
Thank you. That's a big help.
When do you need them?
Friday evening, if that's okay.
Friday is perfect. They are free.
Can I pick them up at 6?
Yes, I'm home all evening.
Great. I can come with my car.
Do you need help with anything else?
Well, I also need to put up decorations.
I can help you decorate the living room.
Really? Are you free on Saturday morning?
Yes, I don't have any plans.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
I can bring some colorful balloons too.
Oh, perfect. My brother loves balloons.
Should I arrive at 9 o'clock?
9 is great. I can make us breakfast.
Sounds delicious. I look forward to it.
Thanks again for everything, Chloe.
No problem at all. See you Saturday.
Cooking dinner together.
Leo, can you help me in the kitchen?
Yes, I can. What you making?
I'm making spaghetti for dinner.
Yum, my favorite. How can I help?
Could you chop these tomatoes, please?
Sure. Where is the sharp knife?
It's in the drawer next to the sink.
Got it. And where's the cutting board?
It's right there on the counter.
Okay, I see it now.
Please cut them into small pieces.
Like this? Or even smaller?
Yes, that size is perfect. Thank you.
Can I also chop the onions?
Oh, yes, please. That would be great.
Onions always make me cry. But I can do it.
Thank you. You are very brave.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I'm boiling the pasta in this pot.
Do you need help with the sauce?
No, I can make the sauce myself.
All right, what about the dirty dishes?
Can you wash them when we finish eating?
Of course, I can wash them tonight.
That's very sweet of you.
No problem. You're the chef today.
Dinner's almost ready. Let's set the table.
I can get the plates and forks.
Moving heavy furniture.
Hey, Dana, do you have some free time?
Yes, Mike, I'm not doing anything.
I really need a favor today.
Sure. What do you need help with?
Can you help me move my old couch?
Oh, is it very heavy?
Yes, it's quite big and heavy.
Where are we moving it to?
Just down the stairs to the basement.
Okay, that sounds like hard work.
I know. Can you please help me?
Yes, I can do it. No problem.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Let's do it now before it gets dark.
Great. I can lift this side.
And I can lift the other side.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift.
Wow, you're right. It's heavy.
Can we stop for a second here?
Yes. Let's put it down for a moment.
Thanks, my arms are tired already.
We only have 5 more steps to go.
Okay, let's carry it to the corner.
Perfect. It's in the basement now.
Thank you so much, Dana.
You're welcome. I need a break now.
Can I get you a cold bottle of water?
Yes, please. That sounds amazing.
Watching the bag. Watching the bag, Lenask singing Kirsten. Watching the bag.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. The coffee shop is very busy.
Yes, it's always full on Saturday.
Oh, actually, can I ask you a quick favor?
Sure. What is it?
Can you watch my bag for a minute?
Yes, of course. I can watch it. Chanara.
I just need to use the restroom.
Don't worry. Your bag's safe with me.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay, I'm back. Thank you so much.
You'll love my realistic and genuine delivery. You'll love my realistic and genuine delivery. You'll love my realistic and genuine delivery.
Did anyone try to take it?
No, nobody came near the table.
Good. Thank you for your help.
It was no problem at all.
Can I buy you a coffee or a muffin?
Oh no, that's not necessary.
Are you sure? I really want to say thanks.
Well, a chocolate muffin sounds good.
Great, I can get that for you right now.
Thank you, that's very nice of you.
It's the least I can do.
Let me pay for your next coffee then.
No, please, this is my treat.
Okay, thank you very much.
Studying together.
Hi, Jack. How's your studying going?
Not very well, to be honest.
Why? What's the problem?
This math homework's really hard.
Can I help you with it?
Really? Are you good at math?
Yes, I love math and it's easy for me.
Oh, thank goodness, I'm so confused.
Let me see your book, please.
Here's the problem on page 40.
Ah, yes, this is a tricky formula.
Can you explain how it works?
Sure. First, you add these two numbers.
Okay, and then do I multiply?
Yes, you multiply by 3.
Wow, that's actually very simple.
See, you can do it.
Thank you, Lily. You're a great teacher.
No problem. I can help you with the rest too.
That's awesome. How can I help you?
Well, do you have the history notes?
Yes, I have all the notes from last week.
Can I borrow them for today?
Yes, of course, you can take them home.
That's perfect. I missed 2 classes.
Now we can both pass our exams.
Yes, we are a great team.
Let's study together again tomorrow.
Neighborly favors.
Good morning, Mr. Green. How are you?
Good morning, Anna. I'm doing well, thank you.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Yes. Sure. What is it?
I'm going on vacation next week.
Oh, how exciting. Where are you going?
I'm going to Spain for 7 days.
That sounds beautiful. Have a great time.
Thank you, but I have a small problem.
What's the problem?
Can you water my plants while I'm away?
Of course, I can water them for you.
They only need water on Wednesday.
That's very easy. I can do that.
Here's the key to my apartment.
Thank you. I will keep it safe.
Please don't worry about the garden.
Just the indoor plants, right?
Yes, just the 3 plants in the living room.
No problem. I'll take good care of them.
I can help you with your dog next month.
Really? Can you walk him when I'm busy?
Yes, I love dogs. It's not a problem.
That's a wonderful offer. Thank you.
Thank you too, Mr. Green. You're very kind.
Have a safe and happy trip to Spain.
I will see you next week.
Goodbye. Anna, take care.
Heavy suitcase help.
Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Yes, hello, how can I help?
My suitcase is very heavy today.
Yes, suitcases are always hard to lift.
Can you help me lift it onto the scale?
Of course, let's lift it on 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, up.
There we go, it's on the scale now.
Thank you. My back's a bit sore today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay, just a little pain.
Do you need help with your carry-on bag too?
No, thank you. That one's very light.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes. I'm visiting my sister in Chicago.
Nice. Chicago's a great city.
Can I hold your boarding pass for you?
Oh, yes, please. My hands are full.
I can hold it while you put your bag down.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Here's your boarding pass back.
Thanks. I almost lost it.
Have a great flight today.
Thank you. You too.
Can I help you with anything else?
No, I'm all set. Thank you.
Safe travels, Maria.
Thank you, Ben. Goodbye.